is a creature that has been coming to see me every night. It feels weird to say, but this bird has been listening to everything I had to say. I really wish you can talk to me too. Oh, that sounded weird, didn't it? I don't know why I'm talking to a bird in the middle of the night. It kind of feels like I'm just talking to myself. I mean, I usually do talk to birds, but this feels different. I think I'm tired. It's been a tough day of work, so I'm going to sleep now. See you tomorrow, just like every night. Good night, little one.
Oh, Nilly.